So hello guys, this is my Citroen C5. I just want to show you quick how easy it is to replace the front lights on this car. So basically we had to remove the front bumper, which sits right now over there. So basically on this car, on Citroen, you have 1, 2, 3 bolts that hold the and fourth over here that hold the headlight in place. So you have 2 connectors right over there, and basically just jiggle it back in and it's done. It's crazy simple, just like that. She's in place. See, here we have a bit of damage. Just try to correct this with a hand right now so it sits better. Okay, so when it comes to removing or putting back the front bumper, what you really want to watch out is these here. Make sure to clean them out. As you can see, mine's got a fair amount of dirt inside, so just clean them up, and once you put the front bumper in place, just click it in. So thank you for watching and see you next time.